Hi everyone, thanks so much for taking a few moments from your busy day to come spend it with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And today I have one of my favorites, the selfie box. And this is the August box for 2020. Becoming a high up there contender for one of my favorites. Selfie box. As I open this, now I did open this off camera because this glue is, and it's stuck back again, is very strong. This is $25 a month. You get free shipping. Only all natural, vegan, or cruelty-free beauty and skincare items are included. 4 to 5 unique full-size items. Value of at least $100. You can buy an individual box on their website if they're still available for $30 versus the $25 if you subscribe. I love their mission statement: self-empowerment, self-love, self-esteem, and self-care. Love, love, love. And this is what I see when I open my box right here. And we have our August 2020 card. They give you their IG, Instagram, all that good information. And I can, oops, throw it across the room in true fashion. And on the back is a descriptive and a price, which I love. And then once I remove the card, then you can see they put the little black squigglies in here, which are great for packaging, but are annoying. And I'm just going to grab the first item that my hands go on. And this says from Elizabeth Mott, Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, I like that. And there is, if you can see on the top there, it says safety seal. There is one on the bottom too, but that one is peeled up. I wonder why. Okay, well that's fine. I'm going to open it anyway. And this is what it looks like. Right here. And this is $20. And an eyeshadow primer is a good thing to use. And this is pretty full. I mean, it's up to here, as you can see. So that's not bad. I'll have to, I don't know if that's full size or not. We'll look into it. Just because it doesn't look it. If I can get it back in there. There you go. And then I'll close that up and push that right back down. So that's not bad. I mean, it might be because it is 10 grams, 0.35. That might not be, but I will look. And from Earth Harbor, and this is Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream. Oh, okay, right there. Earth Harbor Naturals Aqua Aura Reparative Eye Cream, $34. That's a lot of money, but eye creams are expensive. We've all seen higher priced items, and this is what it looks like. This right here. You can see what the product looks like. Please tell me you don't have a seal on this. This is closed tight. Okay. It just has a clean smell. Here's what it looks like. Right there. Pretty full, I wouldn't say, but consistent, you know, with shipping and displacement of products, so that's good. And I said that was $34. Ooh, we have something from Pure. This is Sculpt a Brow, and what is the color? Medium. Here's the color. If I held that the right way, yes. So let's see what this looks like. So Pure Sculpt a Brow, $24. Richly pigmented, all-in-one brow enhancer. Okay, so there's two ends. One end is the brush. Now, I don't know, and I don't want to do this yet because I don't know if you just twist the bottom and then product goes on the brush or if this comes off. Let's see. Must be a twist. Of course, it doesn't say, does it? Directions. Use lightly feathering strokes to fill in sparse areas. Create a bolder brow. It doesn't say. I would assume that you twist this up and then it gets on the brush, but I love Pure. They have some really nice products. I have quite a few of them. So I'm excited to try that. I don't know about the medium. That might be too dark for me. We have a palette, and this is from the Beauty Vault. Let me just see. Beauty Vault Participle eyeshadow palette. What is Participle eyeshadow palette? $29. Did I say that right? Hopefully. That's what it looks like to me. Let's open this up. That's what it looks like. Oh, nice mirror. Remove the little shield. I will put the card there to block the mirror. This is a nice palette, nice neutral palette right there. I will include this in a future giveaway. I have so many palettes that I'm just finding I'm not using a ton of, so I'd rather share all these palettes with you guys and let you have them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes, and the rest are like shimmers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Pretty though, neutral. There is like a little bit of a, like an orange tone, like a burnt orange, like a deep pink, a blue, browns. The breeze is more on the pink. Yeah, I mean, this is really cute. Good neutral palette with a little bit of a pop. So let's put the protective shield back on so that I can not touch it. And we'll give that to somebody because they will get way more use out of it than I will. I have so many neutral palettes. And I seem to always go to my Urban Decay, or a Too Faced palette. So I have to break that habit and start using some of the other ones I have. So then we have this little packet here. Let's get all these squirrelies back in this box. Get that off before it falls. So in here we have 15-minute Pamper Me Kit for instant glow. Hair, face, eye, hand, and foot. That's really cute. What is this? And this is from Nature 15-minute Pamper Me Kit, $13. Okay, let's see what's inside there. Open that up. I'm horrible at opening these things up. My dogs love me when I have to open their treats like that, and they're waiting and waiting until I just get scissors. I didn't do too bad with that. It's a resealable bag, it looks like. So let's see what's inside there. Ooh, lots of goodies. Lots of good stuff. Let's get this out of here right now. Okay, so this is what I see inside there. I mean, it's loaded with tons and tons of stuff. So the first one is a 15-minute eye mask for firming. I'll show you that. For your eyes. Then we have a 15-minute collagen mask, and this is for firming also. And this is a face sheet mask. Another sheet mask in tea tree, and this is for soothing. Nice. Another 15-minute hyaluronic acid mask for moisturizing, most definitely. Now this is a good thing. I've been waiting for some of these to come. I haven't had this stuff in a long time. A hand mask, a 15-minute hand mask. These things are great. Watch TV. I'm watching, you know, a 30-minute video, 20-minute video, and this is only 15 minutes. Put it on your hands. Oh, your hands feel phenomenal. Oh, we have a foot one, 15-minute foot one. This is also a good thing to do while you're just sitting there reading, watching YouTube, watching TV. That's nice. And then, oh, we have a 15-minute hair mask, damage repairing. Nice. This is definitely a pamper kit. Wow, unexpected. So that's everything that was in that 15-minute pamper pack. So that's a lot of stuff. Wow, this was a great box, Selfie. Summer is not over yet. August box has everything you need from head to toe to get your glow. Yeah, I guess it does. Great box. I'm actually working with Selfie Box for something in the future to bring to all of you. So stay on the lookout for that. Hopefully that happens soon and we can present that to all of you. So I'm so excited to work with them. I'm loving this box. Absolutely loving it. So if you have not thought about getting this box, I highly suggest it. $25 a month. If you can only get one box, I would get this one just because of the diversity. There are well-known brands, but a lot of, you know, smaller brands, which is good. I like that everything is all natural, vegan, cruelty-free. You don't have to worry about stuff that you're putting on your face. You know it's from has good products in it, good companies. So I would highly recommend this one. I do have a code, self-care, I believe it is. That will be on the screen in my little descriptive off to the side and in the description box. So if you sign up for this one, use that. Save yourself some money. Why not? I don't get anything from it, just so you're well aware. That's always savings for you, not for me. So that is my selfie box for August. Happy to have it, thrilled to get it. I do pay for it. I don't get it for free. And even if I did get it for free, my opinions are my own. I cannot be swayed by a company or a brand sending me products. So that's it for my selfie box. I hope everyone is doing well. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.